Happy Purim, everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a subscriber. I'm Melissa here if you're new. This is called Little Kosher Lunch, but today we're talking about the Jewish holiday of Purim. Today I am doing a special video collab organized by my friend Allie over at Allie's Best, and this is a Mishloach Manot, or food gifts video. In this video, it's a two-part video, and I'm going to be putting together a care package for the holiday of Purim that I am sending secretly to another mommy YouTuber. And stick around till the end of my video because you'll see the one that I received from another mommy YouTuber, and I'm so excited. I hope that you enjoy all of these really fun videos in this crazy like chain letter thing that Allie's Best has planned, and everyone will be linked down below. If you are a really busy person, this kind of Mishloach Manot video is definitely one that I hope you'll take away some lessons from, because when I said yes to this, I was a stay-at-home mom and now I'm employed. It was a normal month and now it's cookie season for Girl Scouts. It's just very crazy and chaotic in my household. I'm also used to doing Mishloach Manot and really fresh, special homemade Hamantaschen for my usual Mishloach Manot gifts, but this is my first year doing a care package, you guys, so I've never shipped across the country, and I have a few hacks that I think might be helpful for you if you do want to send Mishloach Manot or just care packages generally. I'm also a frugal mom, so we're going to be looking at this through the lens of what it costs. So let's get started. To be honest, my Hamantaschen just aren't going to travel well. So the first thing that I'm going to be sending to my gift recipient is my printout of my Hamantaschen recipe. And I have that tutorial, I'll link it up for you, but my Hamantaschen are best made and eaten fresh. So we're not sending Hamantaschen in this. What do I have a lot of? I have a lot of Girl Scout cookies. My husband can attest to this. We have more Girl Scout cookies than my husband ever wanted to see in his entire life. So I am sending to my recipient, you guys, I am sending a package of this year's annual, like, seasonal flavor, the Lemon Ups. They're delicious. They have little motivational sayings imprinted on them, and they're lemon flavor. And I'm just gonna spoil this. I am sending these cookies in this package to my friend Erica Terry. She is a Jewish mommy. She has an interfaith home, and she's a like super duper DIY guru. So I am going with what I know about Erica, which is that she's a very wholesome person. She loves DIY things. She may or may not have someone in her house who is paleo. So I'm also sending things that maybe she could re-gift if she had to. Moving on to things that we have. I have a lot of lemons right now, right, Bunny? Yeah. We've got a lot of lemons. These are free. They're from our tree. I am sending my care package to Erica, who lives in a cold weather climate, and I thought that she would enjoy some California citrus to go with her Mishloach Manot. So far we have Lemon Ups Girl Scout cookies, lemons that can go into lemonade or tea. To be a kosher Mishloach Manot gift, you need two foods. The intention of this care package is to help the person celebrate and be joyful during the holiday of Purim. It's like a party in a box, or a party in a basket, or a party in a gift bag. These foods should be ready to eat, so you're not going to send things that need cooking or preparation. So chocolate. Okay, this is fancy California chocolate. I know that Erica has a little girl similar to Bunny's age, and I thought she'd like a few of these fun organic fruit leathers. I do like using things in a natural packaging, like nuts in their shells, or things that I can buy in bulk and decant. So these are pistachios. I like to use these like waxed bakery bags, and so I'm gonna decant some nuts into a bakery bag, use some fun tape, and pack it up. In addition to packing food gifts in Mishloach Manot, I think it's really fun to include something a little bit extra, a little bit fun, and nice, to have it be something playful for a family receiving this that has children. Just in time for me filming this video, I got an envelope from PJ Library, and I just wanted to give them a little shout out and a little love because they've been really kind to me and my family. This is my youngest daughter's PJ Library envelope that just arrived in time for Purim. PJ Library, if you're unfamiliar or you're not a subscriber, it is an organization that sends free Jewish themed books and gifts to children on a monthly basis. My kids have pretty much been signed up since birth. Do you want to look at your book? Okay, go for it. You can open it. So I was really happy now that I started working that we still receive PJ Library books, and it takes a little bit of pressure off of me as a mom to be super prepared for the holiday. So that is ready for Bunny while we dive into some other little goodies down here. I printed off, this is like a free printable, or you can download some that you pay for. I decided to include for Erica's child some little Purim puppets. I got out my tongue depressors, these little printables, and I'm including for her just a 99-cent box of crayons. So this is an essentially free activity that I'm throwing in that is Purim holiday themed. It makes it not just a food gift basket, but a Purim food gift basket. And oh my gosh, what is this? Yes, there's Mishloach Manot given to us by PJ Library, this and a Shalom Bayit book. These are going to be really fun for my kids, and I'm putting together in a similar vein a little bit of activity for Erica's daughter that I know she's going to love. In addition,
Mommy, can I do this?
yeah, you can open it while Mommy does her video. This is for Erica. This is kind of like a cocktail party game called Schmear. And sorry to spoil it for you guys, but I got it for $3 after the holidays. Just throwing in a little bit more like celebration and fun into this gift basket. My most favorite thing that I am putting in here is something that I was preparing for my nursery school class now that I'm teaching. And Erica, you get a few of these because it is Purim. These are not edible, but these are cute little felt food Hamantaschen. They are just a circle stitched on 3 corners, just like you'd make a real Hamantaschen, and they have pom-poms inside. So this is like a little sensory activity. Your child can choose what flavor jam. I hope she really enjoys it, and then you can fill your Hamantaschen to your heart's content. Most of all, I'm really happy that these Hamantaschen will arrive intact while shipping them across the country. Just so you know, I am reusing some leftovers from the holidays. I have jewel tones that I really love for the royalty in the story of Purim. Cardboard. So I'm going to be using a lot of tissue paper to wrap these things further, make them really exciting to unwrap, and potentially the materials like the ribbons and paper that I'm using can be reused on these little puppets to kind of deck them out and maybe make a little frilly skirt or a little frilly hat. Erica, you do what you think is best, but I know that I'm sending this to Creative Person, and I hope that you have a really, really happy Purim, Erica. Let's take a look at the Mishloach Manot gift that we received in our family. Mommy's excited to see what we got, because some nice lady showed up on our doorstep. It's my Jewish mommy life. It's Marion, Mommy's friend. Thanks, Marion. This is a very big goodie bag. Dear Melissa and the Little Kosher Lunch family, is that you? A little bit? You get a little kosher lunch too? Okay. Chag Purim Sameach. I hope this Mishloach Manot brings lots of delicious joy to you and that you have a very happy Purim. Love, Marion, aka my Jewish mommy life. A gardening book that Mommy doesn't have. That looks fantastic. Oh, careful, that's not. And this.
Mommy, where's for me?
Look, do you want to see what's in here?
Yes.
Okay. There's so many things. She must know that I have 2 children.
Mommy, what's in here?
You can open it. Oh my gosh.
What?
Whoa.
Those Play-Doh?
Are those Play-Doh? Marion, are these Play-Doh? I think she'd give a warning if they were Play-Doh. You think they're edible?
It's mixed nuts.
These are so exciting.
Dates.
And dates. Oh. What do they look like?
Raisins.
Try one. Could you use these?
Yes.
We could use these. So nice. How are those? Oh, they're very good?
I want to try.
Oh, okay. Share with them.
Very yummy.
Very yummy. Oh, fantastic. Let me turn off my timer.
It's raisin inside. I already have this.
Who could you share it with? That was nice. Wow.
Let's see this.
Okay,
So
well,
I'm definitely having this. I think. I don't know.
you want to open that? I'm going to just tickle this open. Hold on. There. Oh my goodness. More fancy jeweled Hamantaschen. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, when are we going to eat those?
I'm going to put them in lunch boxes for you tomorrow. You can tell Mommy what you think.
What is this?
Oh my goodness. It is a chocolate bar.
I like milk chocolate.
Okay.
Wait, I need to see this.
Yes, you do.
Okay, this is this. What are these?
These are, I don't know, they look super handy.
I definitely want the pink one, whatever
laundry,
it's
right?
for.
I think they're for
I just
laundry and
really
special
want the blue
things.
one. Okay, I'm definitely having the pink one.
Okay, I'm definitely having the blue one.
I'm definitely having the green one.
This is so nice.
Mommy, what is that?
This is the nuts and this is the trail mix. And I have yogurt, raisins, and do you see all these special stickers?
This one I want.
Okay. You want to say thank you to Marion and her family? Yeah? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to read my books and I'll read you your book. Thank you, Marion. This is so nice. Whatever you are doing to celebrate this Purim, I hope you have a really happy holiday, and I hope that some of these tips have been helpful for you. Thank you so much to Allie's Best and all of the mommies who participated for organizing and participating in this really, really fun roundup. And I want to give a special shout out to you, Marion, who I absolutely adore. And thank you so, so much for your beautiful gift. My family is loving it, and we are doling out your Hamantaschen one cookie at a time. Take care now. Bye-bye.